Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to remove virus and malware on any Poco phone. Now to do that, just open the security app on your smartphone. Now from here, just tap on security scan. Now it will scan your smartphone and search for viruses and malware. Now it will take a few seconds to finish scanning your smartphone. Now from here, as you can see, the security scan has finished scanning our smartphone. And as you can see, everything looks good and it did not find any virus or malware. And this is how you can remove virus and malware on any Poco phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.